Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be answering the question if you can buy branded clothing at Hacoo. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so what I'm going to do is open up Hacoo, and yes, you can purchase brand name clothing through the Hacoo app. But we can do manual searches here, but branded items may not always appear through direct searches. Instead, explore categories like men's shoes or t-shirts. Look for well-reviewed items. These often lead to branded products. And also what we need to do is adjust the app settings, so language settings. So changing the app's language to Spanish or English UK has helped some users access more branded items. And also regularly clearing the app's cache as well can help improve performance and product visibility. So we can do that by going back, clicking, holding down Hacoo, click on the eye for app info, scroll down, click on storage, and click on clear cache. And another thing what we can do is utilize external resources, so such as communities like Reddit. So Hacoo often share direct links to branded products. Engaging with these communities can provide valuable insights and shortcuts. So here it is here from Reddit, Hacoo. So just go there and have a look at any direct links inside of these communities can lead you to finding branded products or items. And another thing what we need to do is understanding the product authenticity. So be counterfeit. So there's some counterfeits on there or replicas or inspired by original brands. So always review product descriptions and user feedback to assess the authenticity of those products.